Okay, so I accidentally hit like the, I don't know. So you know when like you're like doing something and you accidentally hit like the thingy that it brings you to like all your pages and stuff or whatever? Yeah, I clicked that, so that's what just happened. So this is part 2 inside of part 2, if that makes sense. But yeah, there was a little ring thingy that went flying. 8 out of 10. Actually, no, 7.5. Then we have a tiny little fidget. I really like this one. I don't know why, it's just, I like how it's like marble effect. I got it from like a little game thingy at Home Depot. Then we have a octopus. I don't know what it's for, but do 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 do. And then we have tiny Orbeez. Let me see if I can find the broken Orby. Cause I broke one time cause I was bored. I found it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right there. That Orby has seen better days. That is the only Orby squishy I have, but I'm gonna try and keep it that way because I have 2 cats, a dog. Yeah. Anyways, now we have gonna yoink, yoink, yoink. This, I don't know, I don't remember where I got this. I think it was a coin machine, but it's cute. It's a little squishy. I rated a 6 out of 10, 6.5. This burger, 6 out of 10. I'm gonna turn into a bracelet at some point, as you can see. But he has little bendy arms and legs. Where you can just. I'm joking. I want to actually rip him into pieces. I mean, I would, but nah. I'll be generous. Compared to that one sales guy from I think it was Blood Money. I don't know. That game was something else. But yeah, 6 out of 10. Yeet. Actually, no, 5 out of 10 because it's not really a fidget, but I'll count it as one. Then we have another unicorn puppet. I love this thing. I think I said that about all of them. So yeah, I'll rate it a 7.5. And then I have just 2 Play-Dohs. I'm not gonna open them because I'm assuming y'all know what Play-Doh is. So yeah. Then I have 2 dice. I don't know if y'all count these as fidgets, but they're like 2 foam dice. Yoink, yoink, yoink. So yeah, I got them at like a bouncy place arcade thingy. I don't know. And then last but not least, oh wait no, third to last but not least, we have this little heart that I got from my cousin for Valentine's Day. And then we have this bunny that lost its face, same place where I got the snake. So yeah, and now, oh yeah, the heart, 6.5 out of 10. The bunny, 6.5 out of 10. Yeah, this I'm already gonna rate a 5 out of 10. Oh god, regret this so much. I'm just gonna do it though. I'm gonna grab all of it too, just to really make sure you guys get to see all of this stuff. Sticky mess. Oh god, I'm already getting it on my hands. If y'all could see the amount of regret on my face right now. Oh god, I'm gonna just try and keep this on one hand. I'm not gonna touch it with my other hand. I'm gonna try and save this hand. Okay, never mind, I can't. As you can watch. So yeah. It is very sticky. This is what I have to do to get it off my hands. And I can't pause it either right now. Pause the video right now or anything. So, because my hands are sticky now, so yeah. Now, I told you guys I would show you the glow-in-the-dark dragon. So, I'm going to turn my lights off. And I'll be back when I'm done with that. Alrighty, so I had to turn my camera brightness down. Right now I only have one light on, so the brightness or whatever is going to be different. So I need to charge this or whatever, and then I will show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so I've charged the dragon. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera right now, but yeah, I think I have it about good enough. Alright, let's do this. Dang it, does not pick it up on camera. I don't think it wants to pick it up on the camera. No, it does not. Okay, so I'm gonna try. Okay, so it's not wanting to work. So we're gonna try it this way. Oh, there you go. You guys can kind of see it. It's easier to see it in real life, but yeah. Alrighty, that is about it. Comment down below if you can, if you'll actually keep the comments, which one was your favorite, and if it does take the comments away, just go to the one video that has like 6,000 views. I don't know. Alright, bye.